Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today, in this video, we'll explain how to turn off Windows Lock on the keyboard so you can stop your keyboard from being locked accidentally. Step 1. Press the Windows key, type Control Panel, and press Enter. This opens the main settings area where you can manage accessibility options. Step 2. Select Ease of Access Center. This section helps you adjust how your keyboard and other input devices behave. Step 3. Click on Make the keyboard easier to use. This opens a list of keyboard accessibility settings. Step 4. Make sure options like sticky keys, filter keys, and toggle keys are turned off. Disabling these ensures the keyboard does not lock or respond unexpectedly. Step 5. Click Apply. It takes time to finish this task, and then OK to save the changes. Windows will immediately use the new animation settings for smoother transitions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more simple and helpful Windows tutorials.